Now, I've realized something so profound. If you check from the scriptures, from the book of Genesis, when God created everything, the Bible says He had created everything and He said it was beautiful. Then at the end, lastly, He created man. But when He created man, He said something profound and different from what He said when He created everything else. When He was creating everything else, He said, let it be, and then it became. Let it be, and then it became. But when He created man, when He created you, when He created me, He said, let us make men in our own image, in our likeness. What does that mean? Think about it. What God was saying was, let us define man. He defined man according to His own definition of who He was and who He is, of being God, of being powerful, of being a person who dominates, as being a person who's all powerful. Okay, check this. Now, when He created man, when He was blessing man, He said, go on and multiply. He brought men to where He had created animals, and He said, give them names. Whatever you have given them, whatever name you have given, it shall be. What does that mean? He said, He told men to define things. God defined men. Men is to define things, not the other way around. We are not to let things define us. No. But that's the tragedy that we have in the world. People are defined by what they have, the car they drive, the car that they don't drive, the man that they have, the man that they don't have. You are not going to be defined by the type of clothes that you put on. I cannot be defined by that. I am defined by who I am in the inside, the Spirit of God that is with me, that defines me, and I in turn define things. Yes. Very important. Jesus says, as a man thinketh, so is he. So you are defined by the amount of thoughts, the kind of thoughts in your head, the kind of spirit in you. So that's when we call everyone, to give their lives to Christ, so that they are renewed, they are regenerated and given back the Spirit of God. That Spirit will define you. That Spirit will lead you to the real you. Because it is God who defines you, not man. So you're not going out there and cry and say, they are saying this to me. The situation is saying this to me. Things are not well. This is who I am. This so and so you say this. This transaction didn't come well. This kid is being sent off from school because I don't have money. I'm done. I'm doomed. And then you give yourself all these definitions. No.